Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. When we wake up in the morning, our joints are stiffer, our energy is sluggish. One of the time-tested self-care practice is to detox the body in the morning. In this video, I will guide you through a morning detox QiGong routine. And now let's get started. We will start with the full body cupping 3 times. Start from your head, the top of the head, back, and your neck. Cup the shoulders, armpit, side of the body, hip crease, the hip points, along the outside of the legs, feet, toes, come up along the inside of the legs. And massage the belly. Take your hands to your kidneys, gently cup the kidneys. Then drum the door of life, the Mingmen point, along the spinal column, almost directly opposite from the navel. We're going to start 2 more times. We are following the gallbladder meridian, which travels along the outer side of the body, down from the head to the legs, connect to the small toes. Then come in along the liver meridian that travels along the inside of the legs. One more time. Take your hands to your waist for neck rotation. Tuck your chin, slowly rotate your neck. Clockwise. 2 more times. Mindfully loosen up every muscle fiber on your neck. Counterclockwise, 3 rounds. Hands over the hips for hip rotation. Change the direction. Warming up the blood along our hip joints, lower back, and the knee joints. And come back to center. Prepare for our gallbladder meridian detox routine. we will be tapping on 4 points along the upper leg. The first one is the hip point. When you stand upright, there's a big depression here. Right in this depression, it's easier to find if you send the hips back a little. So this is the point. This is the first one. And the second one, when you stand upright, the point's right at the middle fingertips. This is the second one. And the third one is between the kneecap and the second one. Let's find the fourth one first. The first one is in the depression above the knee joint. So this is the first, this is the second, and the third one is right in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place your foot on a chair or a bench so the knees are bending at a comfortable angle. We're going to knock 50 times over each point. Make a loose fist. I will have a counter going. Let's begin. Be slow and steady. We will start from the left. We always start from the left as that is the direction of body growth and nourishment. The muscles on the thigh are dense, so you want to be pretty firm to allow vibration going into the point, but not to bruise yourself. No need to worry if you're not getting to the exact location. Simply keep a firm and even pace. All these points treat a number of issues associated with our lower body, such as sciatica, pain and numbness in the lower back, hips and buttocks, weakness of the legs. These points have interesting spiritual and functional descriptive names. The first one is the 环跳, the jumping round point. In order to jump, we bend at this point to secrete power. As the name indicates, when this point is treated, you will be able to jump around. The second one is the 风市, the wind market. The third point is the 中度, Central River Point. The last one is the 西洋关. It is a yang joint for the knees, so the English would be 尼yang point. And the second side. Stimulating the gallbladder meridian helps biosecretion, that in turn promotes food absorption, and that will create proteins needed for making blood. When you first start, if the points feel tender, it is normal. It could be an indication of minor blockages in gallbladder meridian. Our goal is to get this energy channel to be clear and free of blockages. When the gallbladder meridian is balanced, you might experience increased mental clarity and emotional well-being, and a better vision as the gallbladder meridian starts from the corner of the eyes. I experienced that firsthand. Since I have bad dry eye disease, I always wake up between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. And that is when the gallbladder is on duty. an indication that the qi is not flowing smoothly in this meridian in my body. This detox routine offers so many benefits. A must do for myself. And among other benefits, this help to improve circulation in the hip joints, the knee joints. I know if I keep it up every day, it would somewhat improve the arthritis in my knees. Lengthen the left arm forward. The palm facing out. Fingers pointing down. Use your other hand to pull the fingers in. Stretch the inside of the arms. But relax the shoulders. Tuck your chin slightly. And change side. The back of the hands facing away. Use other hand to hold it in. And switch. Stretch through the wrists. This helps to minimize possible wrist arthritis. Stretch the back of the hands. Release the hands down. Lift the left elbow up. Pull this arm up. Stretch the side of the body. Once again, we're stimulating the gallbladder meridian. And this movement loosens all the muscles across our back. The tip of the hips. The lower back. Feeling the release. 2 more times. Hold your right hand beneath your navel. Left arm goes out and around and come back front and center. Centering our energy. Right arm goes out and around. One more time. Slowly lower your hands down to your side. Knees slightly bent. Relax the shoulders. And notice how your body feels. Notice your mind is relaxed. Your heart is joyful. Your legs are less heavy. And you can feel your energy level is up a notch. Friends, self-care takes discipline. The preventive self-care is the best. Try to keep up with this morning detox QiGong routine for a week, for 7 days straight. You will notice difference, and you will want to do it every day. Please leave me a comment and let me know how it goes for you. If you haven't done so already, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And do share this practice with a friend or a family member. Sharing is caring.